Paying attention to your breath is a simple skill you can learn that will help you relax and set you up to be a successful meditator. But believe it or not, it's not as easy as it sounds. Stay tuned to learn how to create this skill and why it will help you be able to become more calm and to be a better meditator. So what is breath awareness or conscious breathing? All it is focusing your attention on your breathing, the inhalation and the exhalation. You do this without controlling the breath, which actually becomes difficult because often when you focus on the breath, you start to change it. But the idea is to simply be with your breath and observe it and create an awareness of what is going on with your breathing. Now, why does learning breath awareness help you? There are 4 important reasons. Firstly, focusing on your breath, the inhalation and exhalation, simply helps your ability to pay attention to one thing, your breath. And that is a good practice in developing awareness. Number 2, it brings you immediately into the present moment because breath is always happening now. So you're developing your skill of mindfulness and presence. 3, breath is the gateway to the nervous system, which regulates whether or not you're feeling stressed or calm. So developing your awareness of your breath gives you a tool to monitor and impact your nervous system and create feelings of calm. 4, by being with the breath in the present, you get out of your head and all your thoughts and you start creating your mind-body connection. You start strengthening your mind-body connection, which also enhances your ability to be mindful. So now we're just going to do a simple practical exercise that you can do on your own. And I'd like, before you start, that you just rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how stressed out or how calm you feel right now. So if you're super stressed, you're a 10. And if you're very chill, you're a 1. So just make a mental note where you fall on that scale. And then we're going to pay attention to our breath for 1 minute. And I'm going to use a timer. So what you do is inhaling and exhaling is 1 breath cycle. So just silently count to yourself and take a deep breath, exhale, and draw your attention to your breath. Begin. Try not to alter your breath, but simply observe inhaling and exhaling and count on the inhalation. We have 15 more seconds. Stop. So just jot down for yourself what that number is, and you may be, depending on how calm or stressed out you were, you may have as few as 6 or 8 breath cycles, or you may have as many as 20. It really ranges. There is no right or wrong. It simply gives you an indication of what's going on with your breathing, and it can be a reflection of how calm or stressed out you are. Ideally, a breath rate of about 6 breaths per minute means you're very calm. So I'd like you just to note to yourself on that scale of 1 to 10 whether or not you feel the same, 10 being totally stressed out, 1 being completely chill. Most people feel a little bit more relaxed, or I guess, yeah, down, more toward the chill end. And that was just after 1 minute. So I highly recommend that you practice this. You can practice it for 2, 3, 5 minutes, however long you like. Just set a timer like I did and focus on the breath. The key is to really try not to control your breath. So instead of thinking 1 inhalation, 2, and getting like kind of creating a rhythm with the count, try to simply observe the counting. So that's your first skill that you can begin to master, and you can also use it as a tool to create calm. Thank you so much. I hope you subscribe so that you learn the rest of the skills that will be equally easy and valuable to help you on your way to becoming a very successful meditator. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy.